And part of Catena-X, we have a mission and a vision that thinks when you look across the automotive supply chain, the greatest challenges can only be solved by really incorporating all the players in the supply chain, from OEM to Tier 1, all the way down to Tier N, and from raw materials all the way to finished goods. And the only way you can accomplish that is by really radical collaboration.
So why did you turn to Catena-X to do this?
By defining this data standards where Catena-X helps us, this assure the data exchange Catena-X provides a strong base for a collaborative effort. That means within the association with all the partners there, Catena-X enabled us a standardized CO2 reporting, even then for the external partners.
This pilot that we're doing with Catena-X is a commercially viable, commercially ready solution that's able to take data safely and seamlessly, really, and provide that with the proper product carbon footprint calculation and tracking across the entire ecosystem.
It's an entirely distributed system, so the data always resides with you, and you know who the other party is having access to your data, and then also they have to accept your usage policy in order to grab it. So you're in total control of the data, and that is what makes this not just new, but it makes it better and groundbreaking.
I'd say to all the suppliers out there for automotive, now's the time to do it. I mean, we're being proactive. We're steering the ship. The regulations are coming. It's better to get in front of it than wait for it to come and then being dragged into it.
Where does Gen AI play into all this?
Well, that's where it gets really exciting. So once you have captured and automated accurate data that you can validate and report on, now you can leverage technologies like generative AI. IBM has Watson-X, for example, that you can now take a much more proactive approach to how do I optimize my supply chain for carbon footprint, for financial reasons, and many other aspects. But that is where this is all going, and we are very excited about the future.